Dreaming of making money online but don't know where to start? You're in the right place. In this video, I'll reveal 5 beginner-friendly skills that can help you earn $500 to $5,000 a month. No experience needed. Whether you're a creative, a tech enthusiast, or a problem solver, there's something here for you. Let's dive in. First up is copywriting. Every business needs compelling words to sell their products or services, and that's where you come in. As a copywriter, you'll craft persuasive content like ads, emails, and website copy that drives sales. Start by learning the basics of persuasive writing and SEO. Many businesses pay $50 to $200 per project, depending on the scope. To stand out, focus on understanding your client's audience and delivering results-driven content. You can find work on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or by pitching directly to businesses. With consistent effort, this skill can turn into a high-paying career. Next is motion graphics. From YouTube intros to social media ads, motion graphics are in high demand. If you enjoy creating eye-catching visuals, this skill is perfect for you. Start by learning tools like Adobe After Effects or Blender. Many clients pay $100 to $500 per project, depending on the complexity. To get started, showcase your work on platforms like Behance or Dribbble. You can also reach out to content creators and marketing agencies. With practice, this skill can open doors to exciting opportunities in the creative industry. Third is web development. Every business needs a website, and if you can build one, you're in demand. As a web developer, you'll create functional and visually appealing websites for clients. Start by learning HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, or use platforms like WordPress for beginners. Many clients pay $500 to $5,000 per website, depending on the complexity. To stand out, focus on creating user-friendly designs and optimizing for mobile. You can find work on platforms like TopTal or by networking with local businesses. With consistent effort, this skill can become a lucrative career. Fourth is Facebook and Instagram ads. Businesses are always looking for experts to help them run effective ad campaigns. If you enjoy analytics and strategy, this skill is perfect for you. Start by learning the basics of Facebook Ads Manager and how to create targeted campaigns. Many businesses pay $50 to $200 per hour for ad management services. To get started, offer your services to small businesses or freelancers. You can also find work on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. With consistent results, this skill can turn into a high-paying niche. Finally, let's talk about print-on-demand design. If you're creative and love designing, you can create custom products like t-shirts, mugs, and phone cases without holding inventory. Start by learning tools like Canva or Adobe Illustrator. Many designers earn $10 to $50 per sale, depending on the platform and product. To stand out, focus on trending niches and unique designs. Use platforms like Printful or Teespring to sell your creations. With consistent effort, this skill can turn into a passive income stream. And there you have it, 5 skills you can start learning today to make money online. Whether you choose copywriting, motion graphics, web development, Facebook to Instagram ads, or print-on-demand design, each of these skills has the potential to help you earn $500 to $5,000 a month. Remember, success comes from taking action. Start small, stay consistent, and keep learning. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss tomorrow's video, where I'll share even more skills to boost your online income. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.